Hello and welcome to our in-depth review of the 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome. This vehicle represents a fusion of Kenworth's renowned trucking expertise and luxury motorhome design, offering an unparalleled travel experience. Let's explore its key features, specifications, performance, and more. Design and exterior. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome boasts an aerodynamic design, featuring a sloped hood and integrated sleeper that enhance fuel efficiency and driving dynamics. Chrome accents and LED headlights contribute to its modern and sophisticated appearance. Interior comfort and amenities. Inside, the motorhome offers a spacious and luxurious living area. Premium materials such as leather upholstery and wood accents create an inviting atmosphere. The layout includes a full bedroom, dining area, large sofa or lounge space, and a fully equipped kitchen with a full-size refrigerator, 3-burner stove, oven, and microwave. A full bathroom with shower, sink, and toilet ensures all the comforts of home are on board. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the T2000 is equipped with a Paycar MX-13 12.9L turbocharged diesel engine, delivering between 405 to 510 horsepower and up to 1,850 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain is paired with a 12-speed automated manual transmission AMT, providing smooth and efficient performance suitable for long-distance travel and heavy towing needs. Safety and technology. Safety is paramount in the T2000, which includes features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and collision mitigation systems. The motorhome is also equipped with a large touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, and smart controls, ensuring connectivity and convenience on the road. Battery and power management. The T2000 features a robust power management system, including 4 Group 31 batteries that are electrically isolated from the truck to power the sleeper cab's amenities. An optional 1800-watt inverter allows for plugging into shore power to run hotel loads while charging the batteries, enhancing off-grid capabilities. Performance aspects. The motorhome's heavy-duty suspension system, advanced 4-wheel drive, and high ground clearance enable it to handle various terrains confidently. Its towing capacity of up to 20,000 pounds makes it suitable for hauling additional vehicles or equipment, catering to diverse travel needs. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome is priced at approximately $400,000 in the United States. Prices may vary depending on customization options and additional features. As for the release date, it's advisable to consult with local Kenworth dealers for the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding availability. In summary, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome combines robust performance, luxurious comfort, and advanced technology, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a high-end motorhome experience. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or extended stays on the road, the T2000 is designed to meet and exceed expectations.